Alright guys, so we got the fish from Petco. We got Shamu. Look at this. Is he gonna... Shamu gonna... Oh. Oh! Oh! No, no. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, we'll wait. Shamu is hungry. My cameraman should be arriving. There he is. Alrighty. Come on. So, look what happens when I put the bags in the water. I already recorded it, but I just want you to see it. Oh, so, yeah. Record it. Oh. Oh. Shamu can get it. Shamu can get it. Shamu. Oh, Shamu.
He's gonna
he can't get it. He can't get it.
Not yet, he can't.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and feed him.
Oh, he's gonna have a lot of food now. Woo!
Oh man.
He already ate one. He already ate two now.
Oh my.
Wow. Will they lose?
Shamu. Shamu is...
Oh,
he just ate one. He just ate...
three.
Look at all this. Look at the... Oh.
That's four. That's
He's
gonna be four.
He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it.
Yeah, he is. That's gonna be four.
He's gonna get it. Shamu. Look at all... Do you see the scales everywhere?
That's gonna be four. Bam.
Oh. Oh my.
Is that five?
I don't even know.
Wow.
Alrighty guys, so we made it at the pond. Whew. Our goal is going to try and catch just panfish then. And wow. There are so much leaves in there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get rigged up. So let's do it. When it jumped out of the water, the hook came off,
You probably still got it though.
Oh, my reel broke. Oh, look at that, I can still cast it. Don't go near it, don't go near it, don't go near it.
Set it very lightly. Lightly.
I don't know what that is.
That's probably a turtle, Pat.
Yeah.
I know how they bite. Pat, go set it.
Wait, this is on this.
Oh, I thought that was a turtle. Are you kidding?
Set the hook correctly.
That wasn't a turtle.
I'm serious. Swallowed the hook. Well, the rod broke. I don't really care.
What kind of fish is that?
Bluegill.
Bluegill.
It's a chunky bluegill.
Did you take the hook out?
Nice.
No.
How'd you get it out?
I broke it off.
So there's gonna be a hook in there.
Yeah. But yeah.
Ouch.
First fish.
Well, on video, yeah.
Yeah.
You caught one earlier.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave the rod here. Oh man, that sucks. Alright guys, so we're gonna go over here now. We're gonna go like out here in the middle. So yeah, let's do it. Alright. Right, we casted it. We have casted it. There's a Nerf dart over there.
Where?
I guarantee you John did that.
Yeah, that was John.
I'm gonna ask him tomorrow. Oh, look at that, look at, oh. Oh, dude, that's a fish. What's attacking at it? looking at it. Alright, alright, it's moving. Alright, so it's in his mouth. He's pecking. Alright. Oh, I see he's pecking at it. Alright, I gotta...
Yes!
I got him.
Yes!
Oh,
Is that a bass?
I don't even know.
I hope that's a
It's
bass.
a bass, please be a bass. No!
Oh, man.
That was not...
Whoa, look at that.
Look at how...
That is like orange right there. When I first saw it, it looked red.
That's a prick.
That's like the most orange.
He's flapping his... Guys, he's flapping. He's flapping them. Oh, that's so cool. He's flapping them. He is flapping them. Oh, man. That is a beautiful pumpkin seed.
Oh, it's a pumpkin seed?
Or a bluegill, I don't know.
Sunfish.
Let me know in the comments, I forget. But yeah, guys, there you go. There's our second fish, or another fish,
Did you see how it went
Really?
down? Exactly.
Oh, there you go. It's good.
Oh, there it is. It's still there.
There you got away. Alright, look, we're gonna bite.
Whoa.
Scared me so bad.
I saw it. That was a sunfish that you caught.
That was the sunfish, and that was...
No, there was a fish right...
That was the sunfish, and that...
The sunfish that we let go over there, that was that. And it just swam.
That scared me. Come on.
Alright.
Go down to the creek, and we're actually going to, bring you some shrimp there. There's some bass.
You know, you can just go this way, right?
Okay. Let's go. Hi, my name is Patrick. Yeah, you know, like, if I were out in the wild, I think I'd make it. Like, I think I'd survive for a couple of months, and, like, you know, it's pretty easy. You know, I had a lot of training, you know, I'm very careful. I think, you know, this will be, like, you know, an easy challenge. So yeah, you know. Alright, guys, well, you know, we got the shrimp. We got the shrimp. And last time I got here, I got snagged, and I do not want to get snagged again. So, you know, let's go ahead and try this side of it. I like a silver. Don't get snagged. I got snagged, and I do not want to get snagged again. I didn't get you snagged.
Oh, man.
We'll see you in 3 hours.
You didn't? I did see that, though.
Did you see that?
Yes.
Alright, guys, so like, look at this. So we got a shrimp. Like, bass love shrimp. So we're gonna go ahead and cast it over down there, and hopefully we can catch a bass. I gotta get ready though. That was a bass.
Alright, so we didn't...
caught a bass off camera. Jay did actually.
I caught it
Jay
off
caught
tape.
A bass off camera.
Oh, man. It was right there,
Look at
right
how
there.
chunky that guy is.
That is good.
Check the,
Alrighty.
check the gills.
Oh, that is... Look at... That is awesome. Brian already went.
Where'd you get it? Where'd you
Right there.
over there?
Right there.
Okay.
Alrighty.
There it is. There it is. Look, look. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Oh, it's biting. What was it? Oh.
Oh. You got it?
I got it.
Oh. Oh man, it's not a bass.
It's not?
It's not a bass.
I thought it was a bass, Bubba.
I know. Dude,
That's a big one, yeah.
That's a very big. Chunky.
Did it? All right, good. It didn't swallow it. Then you still had the bait.
But look at that.
That is cool.
Look at that. It's super chunky.
Wow.
It is super chunky.
Did you barely hook it?
No, I hooked it actually at the right spot.
Good.
Come on, get off. There you go.
Oh, ouch.
There you go.
All right, it's recording.
All right. Well, we're gonna go ahead and fish for like.
One last
We're
fish.
gonna get one more fish, and you know, we're gonna pack up everything. I'm like, it's done. Stay there for too long. You need to go under, and that's good.
Hurry up, it's running out of battery.
Okay, it's still biting. Needs to go under. Needs to go under. Go under. Wait, it is moving, right? Oh, it's moving.
Okay, good.
Go under.
Come on, go.
Go under, go under, go under.
If we miss it, then that'll just suck. You got it.
Hit it.
Oh, alrighty.
Oh.
We got it.
If you took the bait, I'm not gonna.
Wait, what? You didn't get it? What?
Alright guys, well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this episode, go ahead, leave a like and subscribe, and go ahead, check out Jeremy's channel. It's called Jeremy McElroy. He did not, he actually just has one video uploaded. But,
Shenandoah.
yeah, you know, we're gonna go ahead, pack up everything, and then we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.
Yep.